Do you know, if you cover the entire syllabus of UPSC, then also it will be very difficult for you to crack the examination. And do you know, if you are going to cover the entire current affair also, then also it is going to be very difficult for you to crack this examination. Then what is the solution? Or आखिर कैसे होगा? So it's about art of interlinking the basic with the current affairs. Say for example, health, which is a one particular theme that belongs to GS paper 1. But this health has several other subjects that are associated with it. Say for example, elderly and the related issues. Now this particular topic, this elderly and how the different disease is going to impact the society, it becomes part of society. Now what are the government intervention in this particular domain, in the domain of health control and disease control, it becomes part of governance and GS paper 2. Now similarly, if you see how this medicines is impacting or the newer technology that is impacting the entire environment, that becomes part of environment. And similarly, the newer innovation to control these kind of disease, it becomes part of science and technology. And the attitude of the society towards these section of people and the vice versa, it becomes part of your ethics paper 4. So it's all about how you interlink one particular thing with a different domain at the same time. You must have heard about this zero science, which was in news recently. Now zero science, it is a medical innovation in which it boosts immunity of the aged people. Now this particular domain, it belongs to different sections or different themes of UPSC. It belongs to social science, it belongs to innovation, it belongs to ethics, it belongs to governance. So to understand everything in a comprehensive manner, it is very easy for all of you to understand a particular concept. Now the second problem that students face, that this UPSC syllabus is quite vast in nature and we are not able to memorize each and everything. So what is the solution? The solution is multiple revision, and multiple revision along with your current affairs. Hence, this Samachar Manthan, where we try to revise many concepts multiple times along with the current affair news that are there in that particular time period. So it becomes very easy to connect the dots, to connect the basic with the current affair, and at the same time also to revise the concept multiple times. And that is the sole reason why do we have so many rankers from this Samachar Manthan. So to know more about this particular program and how do we approach Samachar Manthan and how do we make things simpler and comprehensive, join me in this free webinar which is conducted by Civils Daily IAS at 7 p.m. on this Friday, and all the registration links is given below in the description box and in the comment box. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.